Welcome to our educational journey at Spelling Bee Ninja. If you love discovering fascinating facts about the world around you, you're in the right place. Join our community of curious minds and subscribe for free to gain access to enlightening content that challenges your understanding of geography and more. Today, we're peeling back the layers of common geography myths. Let's dive into the truth about our planet, and you might just be surprised by what you learn. First on our adventure is the Great Wall of China. Many believe that it can be seen from space, but this myth is more persistent than factual. Astronauts who have journeyed to low Earth orbit, around 400 kilometers above the surface, have confirmed that even with perfect eyesight, they could hardly make out the wall. Its colors blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, making it challenging to distinguish from roads and rivers. Instead, what's visible from space are the vibrant lights of major cities at night and extensive agricultural areas. Interestingly, this myth originated in 1893 and gained traction through a newspaper article published in 1932. This just goes to show how misconceptions can take root in our collective understanding of geography. Next, let's move on to the moon. You may have heard that one side is perpetually dark. This is another common misconception. The moon is tidally locked, which means we only see one side from Earth, but that side isn't always dark. During a new moon, the face we see is turned away from the sun, while the far side enjoys full sunlight. The term dark side of the moon refers to the hidden side that was unknown until spacecraft, like the Chinese Chang'e 4 mission in 2019, explored it. Now, onto the Sahara Desert, often touted as the largest desert in the world. This statement holds some truth in a specific context. While the Sahara covers approximately 9.2 million square kilometers, which makes it the largest warm desert, it's not the largest overall. In fact, Antarctica is classified as a desert due to its low annual precipitation, only about 50 millimeters. This icy expanse has a cold desert classification and stretches over 14.2 million square kilometers, trumping the Sahara as the largest desert. Speaking of deserts, let's discuss another myth, that the Great Wall of China is the only human-made structure visible from the moon. This one is entirely false. From such a distance, it's nearly impossible to see the wall with the unaided eye. The wall is only about 6 to 10 meters wide, far too slim to be detected without specialized instruments. Even China's first astronaut, Yang Liwei, confirmed he couldn't spot it during his mission in 2003. It's fascinating how our desire to believe in human engineering marvels fuels these myths. Now, let's take a closer look at the continents. Many geography textbooks assert that Australia is the flattest continent. Though it is indeed home to the highest point, Mount Kosciuszko at 2,228 meters, it isn't the flattest overall. When considering the underneath structures, Antarctica's bedrock is considerably flat at an average elevation of around 200 meters, without the thick ice cover. This means that while Australia is the flattest inhabited continent, the crown for flattest overall actually goes to Antarctica when we look beneath the ice. Moving on, we cannot ignore the infamous Bermuda Triangle. This region, bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has accrued a reputation for mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. However, statistical analyses conducted by several organizations, including the U.S. Coast Guard, revealed that the number of incidents is not greater than what you would find in any other heavily traveled part of the ocean. Heavy boat and air traffic, coupled with challenging weather conditions, can create dangerous situations that are often misunderstood as paranormal occurrences. Now let's debunk another myth. You might think that all rivers flow from north to south based on how they appear on maps. The truth is, rivers flow downhill due to gravity, which can lead them to flow in any direction. For example, the Nile flows north while the Yenisei River in Russia heads northward as well. Other rivers, like the Indus and the Mekong, follow quite different paths. The only rule that governs a river's flow is its slope, not the compass rose. On to our next topic, the Pacific Ring of Fire. Often envisioned as a flawless ring, This volcanic and seismic zone is more accurately described as a horseshoe shape or an irregular arc. It stretches along the edges of the Pacific Ocean and is where a vast majority of the world's earthquakes and volcanoes occur. Although the term ring was coined in 1965, the actual shape is riddled with breaks, especially along the west coast of North America and southern South America, shaped by the movement of tectonic plates. Finally, let's clarify the title of tallest mountain. Mount Everest holds the title for the highest altitude above sea level at 8,848 meters. However, if we consider height from base to peak, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is actually taller when measured from its ocean floor base, measuring over 10,210 meters. Then there's Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador, which, due to Earth's equatorial bulge, is actually the farthest point from the center of the Earth. Everest reigns in terms of altitude above sea level, but as we can see, the definition of tallest can get quite complicated. Lastly, many believe there's a spot in the United States where you can stand in 4 states at once, and while it's true that the Four Corners Monument exists, the reality is a bit murky. Due to survey errors, the precise intersection point might not align perfectly with the monument itself. It's important to remember that Four Corners of the Earth is a metaphorical phrase rather than a geographical reality. Geography is filled with intriguing myths and vibrant truths, blending our understanding of the Earth's features and phenomena. Through this exploration, we see how pervasive misunderstandings can shape our vision of the world. Many of these tales endure not because they are true, but because they captivate our imagination, transforming our views on geography. So, keep your curiosity alive and don't hesitate to question what you think you know. As we conclude today's journey through geography myths, we've uncovered truths about the Great Wall of China, the Moon, deserts, the infamous Bermuda Triangle, the nature of rivers, the Pacific Ring of Fire, and the complexities surrounding mountain heights. Each myth we explored reveals the delicate balance between human wonder and factual reality. Remember to always approach information with curiosity and skepticism, and be eager to learn more about the world around you. As we continue our exploration of geography, keep questioning and discovering the fascinating truths that lie beneath commonly held beliefs. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey through geography myths. We hope you enjoyed unraveling these misconceptions and learning new facts about our planet. Remember to subscribe for more episodes that explore the wonders of geography and beyond. Keep your curiosity alive and continue to expand your understanding of the world around you. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.